Hi, I'm Tom Curry, president of Lowcountry Paver. I'm at a garden center customer who put my product and the national competitor's product in his garden center at the same exact time, at the same exact year. And I'd like to show you the difference between my product and their product today, 10 years later. If you take a look at this is my competitor's product. It has cracks all over. The face has completely deteriorated, and as you can tell, the color looks awful. It's completely washed out. You have white speckles all over the pavers. This looks horrible. We were going to pull it out and replace it with our product, but I think this is a good demonstration to show what happens to my competitor's product after a few years. Now we're over at the other side of the garden center where they feature all the Lowcountry Paver product. This is all my product that you see here. As you can see, the face is not eroded at all. Nothing has any cracks anywhere, and the color still looks beautiful. This product looks exactly the same as it did 10 years ago when it was put in. That's the difference between a Lowcountry Paver and my competitors. Earlier today we looked at a project with my competitor's pavers. It looked horrible. The face was completely eroded off the paver. The color was washed out, and there were broken pavers everywhere. I said we were going to go look at a Lowcountry Paver project. Well, here we are. This parking lot has hundreds of thousands of Lowcountry Pavers, and there's not a single broken paver anywhere. And it looks as good today as it did over 10 years ago when it was installed. This is why architects and engineers all over the Southeast specify Lowcountry Paver. Don't you want the product that the professionals use?